Hi guys, welcome to Vinod Spoken English classes. Today's topic is how to use apostrophe s for different names of people. The reason why I have come up with this topic is when you're having normal names like Jessica, Robert, it is very easy to include the apostrophe s. As I have written here, Jessica's pen, Robert's pencil. It is very easy. On the other hand, if you're having names that end with the letter yes, people actually follow the same habit. They're writing it as James apostrophe s pen, Williams apostrophe s pencil. But the correct way is James apostrophe pen, Williams apostrophe pencil. Because those words or names already have the letter yes, there is no need to include one more yes after the apostrophe. Just include the apostrophe. Having said this, now how to pronounce names that end with yes, that end with the letter yes? Simple. James apostrophe is pronounced as James S. That is James plus es, Jameses. It is almost like Jameses is the plural form of James. I'm just trying to make you understand this more. Don't think that James is having a plural form. Being a human being, there is no plural form for names. I hope you have understood that. Till next time, it's Vinod signing off from you. Bye.